In this session, we will see how to create exposure date. The RF STDTC, RF ENDTC, RF XEN STDTC, RF XEN DTC. So we already know what is RF STDTC. It's the first exposure to study drug. Same is RF X STDTC, and RF ENDTC is the last state of exposure to study drug. As I mentioned already, there are some scenarios where RF STDTC may differ from RF X STDTC. Scenarios where in oncology studies where a patient may undergo a chemotherapy before taking the study drug. In that scenario, RF STDTC will be the chemotherapy start date and the RF X STDTC will be the study drug start date. So apart from these scenarios, usually the dates are same for both the variables. They are the same. Similarly, RF X ENDTC is the same as RF ENDTC. The X stands for exposure. So let's look at how we are going to create the all these variables. So we have already created the demographic data set demo1 with all the race, study ID, and everything. Next, I'm going to sort that particular demo1 data set by subject. The reason for sorting is that we can sort it by subject, and next we are going to take the first exposure date and the last exposure date to the study drug. So I'm using the SQL query here. So create table EX. EX is a new data set I am creating. Subject, the minimum start date, I'm taking the minimum start date as RF STDTC and formatting it to as required by the spec ISO 8601 format, and taking the calculated RF STDT that I just created here, I'm using that and converting it into this particular format into a character variable. So I'm using a put function and converting it into a character variable and creating RF STDTC. So RF STDT is the numeric variable. For a numeric variable, I'm taking a minimum value. This particular numeric variable is then converted into a character variable using a put function and converting that and formatting it to ISO 8601 format, and this new character variable is RF STDTC. Similarly, I'm taking the maximum value of the exposure start date and I'm calling that variable RF ENDT, which is a numeric value. I'm converting into a character value, converting RF ENDT into a character value using the put function and formatting it to ISO 8601 format, and this particular variable is RF ENDTC. And I'm taking from which data set? So I'm creating a new data set here. Select subject. So this particular, I think I should have shown you this data set. So how this looks like. So let me show you the raw variable EX1. So here is the exposure data, and I want to take the first exposure date and the last exposure date from EX1. So I'm using the start date. So we have these are the different values we have. Data page name has the variable, the drug name. So this is the drug name here, subject is here, and let me just take you through the different variables. Time is variable exposure time, and exposure dates. So I'm taking the minimum start date. So from where did the start date come? So here I'm creating a start date. So I'm taking the subject. Wherever there is administration, I'm using transvert function to remove the value administration. I want to get rid of this value from the I will show you this particular variable as I just want the drug name. I'm not interested in the value administration. I just want this, extract this particular, I want to remove this part administration. So I'm using a transmod function and replacing administration as missing. So that's what I'm using using the transmod function. And this is the treatment. Name of the drug is the treatment. So here I will get adriamycin, and then I am using the date part function to extract the date value alone from the date and time value. Exposure, this is the variable from which I am taking the date part alone for the and I am calling it start date, formatting it into a ISO format, and I'm this particular data set that I created, from this particular data set I am collecting the minimum of start date I already created, and maximum of start date. So I'm taking the minimum and max of start date, which is called as RFSTDTC and RFENDTC respectively, and I'm grouping by subject and ordering by subject. So I'm sorting as well here. So let's look at how the data looks like here. So I have created exposure data, EX, and so these are the RFSTDT, the numeric version for each subject, numeric version, character version, RFSTDTC, numeric version of end date, RFENDT, and character version of end date. So I have created, these are the two variables that I needed for this DM domain. So in the next session or next video, we will see how we are creating the rest of the variables such as informed consent, date, RFID, etc. Thank you.